everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a Walmart beauty box that I thought I would do an unboxing with. This is a subscription box that I think is $5, and you just pay for that, the $5 for shipping, and everything in it is free. Now it is sample sized stuff, and there's no guarantee of how many of anything you'll get, but it's kind of neat. And this is Embrace Your Beauty, and if you go to beautybox.walmart.com you can find it too. Cute little tissue. Embrace Your Beauty, and there's a rate and review request. So the first thing I see is Rembrandt 3-Day Whitening Boost. Whiter teeth in just 3 days. Maximum coverage, whitens front and back. The same enamel safe ingredients that dentists use, and it's 6 custom fit whitening strips. 3 treatments total, each with 1 upper and 1 lower. So that's kind of nice. Have to try that. And also with them, you lots of times get coupons and such. So this may be, yes, there's a $2 coupon. And this one isn't a coupon. 1 minute hair masks. That sounds neat. And here is a Find Me in the skincare aisle soothing 3-in-1 moisture mask, day-night mask. Made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, or silicones or dyes. So day soothes and hydrates skin daily. These are the benefits. It nourishes and Nutrice, or nourish. I'm thinking of Nutrice, the brand. Nourishes and nurtures skin night after night. And left on for 10 minutes, it intensely nourishes and reduces skin's tightness. So that'll be neat to try. It feels like not a sheet mask, just a regular mask. And here is the Fructis. This is what I was thinking. I think damage repairing treatment, and this is a 1 minute hair mask with banana extract. After shampoo, apply onto wet hair and leave on for 1 minute and then rinse. Or you can use it as conditioner, or you can use it as a leave-in. Apply on damp hair for intense surface repair. So that's kind of neat. Give that a try. Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask. This says, this sounds nasty actually. Donkey Milk Salmon egg extract, 15 to 20 minutes of relaxation, and it's a skin gel mask. Yuck. I will try it though, hopefully. Cleanse skin thoroughly and apply toner and or serum. Apply mask to the face, carefully aligning the holes of the mask to the eyes and mouth. Smooth out air pockets with fingertips. Leave on 15 to 20 minutes, and when used in the daytime, apply sunscreen after. So, sounds kind of nasty with the stuff that's in it, I'm not going to lie, but I don't know. We'll see. And there are some wet wipes by Kleenex. There are 8 wet wipes in here. A gentle, goodness gracious, a gentle clean for hands and face, no harsh chemical. And then Whole Blends Gentle Conditioner and Shampoo, Oat Delicacy, oat milk, and rice cream extract. Well, I don't know. So that is everything in this box. Kind of fun. I mean, I don't know. It's neat to see what you get, and it's neat to get all the little different things. But yeah, not all of them. I mean, this is not a sample size, but it's neat that, you know, they give you just a smorgasbord of things. And I don't know if everybody gets the same thing or not. I'm not going to keep all of these. But there we go. That is what I got. And this one is the one that I'm most leery of. I don't like the whole sound of donkey milk, salmon egg extract. Ugh, that sounds kind of weird. But I don't know. Well, I will talk with you guys soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.